Welcome to my channel. The Sparking Cave Short Moral Story. The speaking cave. One day a lion was searching for food. He was very old and weak and unable to catching his prey by chasing them. Suddenly the lion saw a cave on his way and opened. Inspecting inside, he found it to be empty. That gave the lion an idea, and he thought to himself, if I stay here, the owner of the cave is bound to return, and that's when I will jump, open it, and make it my meal. He waited patiently till the night fell and Jackal, who actually lived in the cave, and come back. Jackal saw the footprint of the lion and he got suspicious. Jackal saw the footprint of lion and he got suspicious. Jackal decided to trick the lion and started asking cave why the cave was not speaking to him today. Lion thought that maybe cave actually does speak to Jackal every night and decided to call him in himself today. On hearing Lion's voice, Jackal got certain that Lion is hiding inside and he ran away. Moral of the story: we should always be alert and take care of things around us. Thank you for watching.